Today our session is going to be like what we had last month. It is laughter. And I hope after the last session, all of us got a chance to laugh and to be happy and to find joy within us. Last month, we concentrated on one or two individuals. This time, we will concentrate on two people who everyone I'm sure knows, but you'll be surprised about what their attitude towards life is. And one is the Dalai Lama from Tibet, and the other is Desmond Tutu from South Africa. Now, both of them suffered a lot, either because they got suffering themselves, they were hurt themselves directly, or because they were leaders of their people, and the people suffered a lot. So let us see how they address these issues. I'm going to share screen, and I've got about 5 or 6 clips. We'll look at them and we'll practice laughter with them. But before we go there, since this is a laughter session, we're all going to take a deep breath and laugh out loud. Laughter is good. So all of us are going to laugh. Can you hear me? Okay, very good. So take a deep breath and let's all laugh. Unmute your mic so everybody hears everybody else laughing and we share our joy. Okay, now the sound should come from your tummy. It should not come just from the mouth, because when your tummy is shaking, that's the best for your health. Can you feel the breath coming from inside your lungs, deep down your stomach? Once again. Think of a little baby, 2-year-old baby. They laugh, their stomach is jumping like this. So laugh like that once again. It's good for your digestion, good for your general attitude. One more time, a deep breath. You know that saying, we laughed until we cried, because when we laugh, all our sorrows come out and the tears go away. So a lot of people will find tears coming out too. So laughter. One more time. Deep down from your tummy. One more time. Okay, I'm going to show you a short clip of the Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu.
There's a lot of shared background. Both of them have deep history of struggle against authoritarian systems.
The Tibetan people are being exterminated. Their culture and religion are being stamped out.
Age 24, I lost my own country.
Amid tear gas and police dogs, Desmond Tutu led a people against apartheid.
When people decide to be free, absolutely nothing is going to stop them from becoming free.
You can overcome the most horrendous circumstances and emerge on the other side, not broken.
So that was the first thing. We'll be going into some other issues and some other clips with them. But basically, there is joy. Joy comes from inside. And both of them, they will give the experiences of joy and happiness. So once again, let's do a little laughter. Laughter is the most important thing.
Lawrence,
Yes.
I'm reading this book these days. I've got this book.
Oh, wonderful. Oh,
I'm
we are of one mind, you and me.
हाँ ये टीवी के वहाँ का नीचे का पोछो ऊपर का नहीं भी पोछेंगे
So you want to tell us a little about that book of joy?
same thing
Go ahead.
what you said. They've been through great sufferings and they are exchanging, they are meeting like good friends and having a hearty laugh each time. Before eating, before sleeping, whenever they go hand in hand for walks, first they must laugh.
Very good. I think you will live a very, very long life. Because yes, I'm so glad you got that book. I have that book too. I got it from the library. I returned it. It's a very good book. So we'll show some more clips about them. But Surit, I'm so glad you got that book. So let us do a little laughter right now. Okay? We do it 3 or 4 times. We don't have to stop. Just keep laughing. Take a deep breath. Keep laughing. Take a deep breath. Okay, 1, 2, 3. If you're by yourself and you just laugh and someone comes and says, "What is wrong with you? Why are you laughing?" Say, "I'm happy." And they will join you too. So don't feel embarrassed to laugh. You laugh, other people will join you. You cry, nobody joins you. They run away from you. So let's laugh and get people to laugh and be happy. So let's do some more laughter. Get into that habit. You don't have to need a reason. You can just think of something. Think of something happy that happened in the past, and you don't even have to have a reason. Just say, "Oh, you know, somebody slipped on a banana peel." You know, the Dalai Lama escaped from Tibet. You know, the Dalai Lama is the most joyful person. So laughter, so I want to show you another clip of the Dalai Lama here. So let's share screen for a minute.
When you say you are pursuing happiness, you are not going to find it.
Happiness isn't just something that feels good. Happier people, they're physically healthier, they have stronger immune systems, they even live longer.
Ultimate source of happy life inside, not outside. We really become something quite special.
Yes.
So there we saw a short clip. I've got many more clips like that. They are talking about joy. So joyful people live longer. So let's laugh about that thought. We're going to live longer and live happy. It's not important to live long. It's important to live long, happy. So let's think about that. Live long, happy, and laugh. When we laugh, we improve our immune system. Our immune system is what prevents diseases. If you have a strong immune system, you don't get sick. You don't get COVID. You don't get any of these problems. No Alzheimer's, none of those things. How do you improve your immune system? You can go to doctors and get injections, or you can laugh. So let's laugh so we don't need an injection. So in this session, we practice laughter so that you can do it for the rest of the week, the rest of the month. Okay, so this is only an exercise for you to do this for the rest of the day, the rest of the month. Don't feel embarrassed about other people, what other people think. Just laugh, they will join you. One more time, let's laugh. Okay, I got one more clip. One more clip I want to show you about Dalai Lama, okay?
Sex.
Did you say that? You are a monk, remember? I've sometimes said to him, the cameras are on us.
Honestly, the energy between them is 8-year-old boy.
You are mischievous.
What is the purpose of your visit, sir?
Just enjoy our friendship and talk about joy.
I don't think you could find two people on the planet who are more different than the Dalai Lama and Desmond Tutu.
Okay, so somehow one of those two people said sex, the Dalai Lama, and Desmond Tutu is teasing him. He says, what, you're talking about sex? You're a monk, you shouldn't talk these things. So they're just joking, you can joke about anything as long as you don't take it personally. So they are like 8-year-old boys. So let's all act like 8-year-old boys and 8-year-old girls. Everyone, let's hear me. I want to hear you laughing. Have you unmuted yourself?
मेरे को बड़ा अंदर जाओ ना और तुम हंसो मत ना मेरे को अंदर डाला और तुम
You have heard that saying, you was rolling on the floor, laughing. So you laugh so much, you just roll on the floor and your whole body becomes relaxed, your mind becomes relaxed, and you're at peace. Nothing bothers you. You know, we grow up with so much tension, so much worry, so much fear. If you laugh, we get rid of those things. So let's laugh some more. So funny. So if you are somewhere in public and you want to laugh, just hold your cell phone like this, like you're listening to someone telling you a joke. And you say, oh my God, really? And if somebody asks you, what was that joke? You say, I don't remember. It was so funny. If you remember the joke, if you remember it, you can tell them what it is. A crazy person. Okay. Very good. Let's take a little breath so we can breathe. Breathe. It helps just for our lungs, because when you laugh, all the air goes out, all the carbon dioxide goes out from the lungs. And all the carbon dioxide goes out from your lungs and your lungs become stronger. COVID, all these typhoid, pneumonia, these things won't bother you if you laugh a lot.
Lawrence, sorry, you've been muted. I apologize. Lawrence, can you unmute yourself, please?
Okay, so I'll repeat this. Maybe you heard it. When you laugh, your lungs move. See, all the chest moves, and you get a good exercise for your lungs, and your lungs become strong. If your lungs are strong, you don't get COVID, you don't get typhoid, you don't get pneumonia. So these are the things a lot of old people get. So you won't get those things by laughter. There are lots of other benefits from laughter, but this is one of them. So let's unmute all of us. Let's unmute yourself and let's practice a little more laughter. Everybody, please unmute yourself if you can. So unmute yourself so I can hear you laughing and y'all can hear each other laughing. And let's do a couple of minutes of really deep laughter and focus on the little cells in your lungs. Okay. I got another clip to show you if you can Just watch this one. This is
Ho ho ha ha. Hello and welcome to Laughter Yoga Dance, a Bollywood style aerobic dancing and laughing. This is for the first time we are introducing a new fitness program which combines aerobic dancing, laughter exercises, and breathing exercises, which will make you feel fresh and energized. The dancing steps are taken from the Bollywood movies, which are very simple and anybody can do it.
Okay, that was Kataria, the famous Indian guy from Mumbai. He's still around. About 20 years ago, he came to America and I took a course with him on laughter. So I've been doing this for 20 years. Okay, so let us do some now as a change. Let us do some ho ho ha ha ha. Okay, everybody unmute yourself. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
So we all hear each other. We are all supporting each other with our laughter. Okay. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, from the stomach. Not from just from the from the stomach. Ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Okay. Okay. Let us all take a deep breath, deep, slow breath. And now when we do ho, ho, ha, 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 feel it coming from your tummy, not just from the sound here. This is good because it helps with the thyroid gland. It helps with the throat. This is all good from the sound, but it should come from the tummy because then it helps our digestion, helps our liver, helps our intestines. So feel the laughter coming from your tummy. Your tummy should shake like this. Okay, let's ho 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 ha 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 ho 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 ha 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 ho 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 ha ha ho 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 ha ha ho 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 ha ha ho ho ha ha ho ho ha Very good. Okay, now let's do a little dancing. We do this hand movement. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Everybody. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, 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 ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha. So this is not only an exercise for your inside of the stomach, it shakes your body like this. So your hips get an exercise. So it has a lot of benefits. Do that at home when you're alone. You're worried about something. If it's raining too much or not raining, not enough water, too much water. Whatever your problems are, just think about laughing and laugh. And the problems will still be there, but they won't bother you. Okay? So let's just do laughter, plain laughter. One, two, three. Okay, very nice. I got one more clip to show you of Kataria, okay? So if you just hold, let's watch what Kataria has to say. Mohan Madan Kataria.
Madan Kataria.
Okay, so let's try that. We do what Madan Katari is teaching, and it is very good, very good. Ha 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 ha. Okay, everybody, if you can unmute yourself so we can support each other and listen to each other. Everybody unmuted. Okay, very good, very good. Ha 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 ha. Very good, very good.
Very good.
Loud. Very good, very good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Very good, very
Very
good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Very good, very good.
Very good.
Very good, very good. Very good, very good.
Very good.
Very good, very good. Okay, now we'll just take some deep breath, do some inhalation, just leave our muscles time to relax a little bit. Take a deep breath and a slow out breath. Just slow in breath, slow out breath. Just be calm for a little while. Let our nervous system relax. When we are laughing, the dopamine is called dopamine. The joy centers in our brain get excited. So we give them a chance to calm down and just be happy. Happiness comes from inside, joy comes from inside. So feel that joy inside of us for a minute. And it doesn't matter what is happening outside with the world, with our family, with our children, with our parents, with government. Doesn't matter. Inside, nobody can touch us. We can feel the joy inside of us. Take a deep, long breath, hold it a little while, and breathe out for a minute or two, and then we'll do 1 or 2 more laughter sessions. So deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay, 1 more laughter session, and then we will close, okay? Just laugh as long as you want, and then we'll end this session. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Remember to laugh for the next month. Every day you'll feel
Thank you.
good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
Lawrence. Right.
Thank you, Sarita, for your book. Bye.
Bye.
Lawrence.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.